Since day off namin ni Hubby, samahan niyo kami dito sa IL Corso Filinvest Malls. Isa ito sa mga favorite naming walking destinations dahil sa relaxing na seaside atmosphere at magandang view ng dagat. From food to views to a tower with a 360 degrees view ng Cebu, meron yan dito. Tara, let's go! Unlike the usual malls na enclosed at air-conditioned, open air dito sa IL Corso. The sea breeze, the wide open spaces, it feels like a quick escape from the busy city. One of the reasons kung bakit maraming bumibisita dito is because of the food choices. Mula local favorites hanggang iba't ibang street food stalls, siguradong may makikita kang swak sa panlasa mo. Isa sa mga kilalang kainan dito sa Cebu is Lantaw Native Restaurant. If you want authentic Filipino food na may view ng dagat, this is the perfect spot. There are more food stalls to choose from. Snacks, drinks, desserts, perfect for a laid-back Sunday afternoon like this. Pero sa totoo lang, ang pinaka-highlight talaga ng IL Corso, the views. Panoramic views of the sea on one side, the CCLEX bridge stretching across the water sa kabilang side. Maganda siya pag late afternoon, when the light hits just right. This is the kind of place where you don't really need to do anything. You can just sit here, enjoy the breeze, and let the afternoon pass. Sometimes, yun talaga ang kailangan natin. A slow Sunday, no rush, no agenda. Isa sa mga bagong attractions dito na open na to public ay ang Cebu Lighthouse Tower. With entrance fee of 150 per person, you get up to 30 minutes of viewing deck at may kasamang token for the binoculars. Not bad for the 360 degrees experience. Feeling adventurous? May electric scooter rental din dito. A fun and easy way to explore the whole area without getting too tired. Habang palalim na ang hapon, mas lalong gumaganda ang paligid. Isa ito sa mga bagay na gusto namin sa IL Corso. Hindi mo kailangan gumastos para ma-enjoy ang lugar. This is the kind of Sunday we all need sometimes. Slow, relaxed, enjoying the simple things. Kung seafood naman ang trip nyo, check out Minnan Seafood Restaurant. Isa pa to sa mga dining option dito na worth trying. Fresh seafood right by the sea. Pickleball is becoming more popular these days. Dito sa IL Corso, meron na rin silang indoor courts para sa mga gustong subukan ang sport na ito. At habang papalubog na ang araw, the lights come on, the sea breeze gets cooler, and the whole place feels even more relaxing. Iba talaga ang atmosphere dito pag nighttime. The bridge lights up, the restaurants get busier, and there's this calm energy na mahirap i-explain. Now let's step inside the mall and check out anong meron. Marami na rin shops nag-open. Fashion, sports, lifestyle brands, and so much more. Napahinto kami sa New Balance store guys dahil may up to 50% off sale sila. But we just look around, we were not here to shop naman. Whether you're shopping or just window shopping tulad namin, it's a nice way to end our Sunday walk. If you're looking for a different kind of mall experience dito sa Cebu, open air, seaside, laid back and perfect for families, IL Corso Filinvest Malls is definitely worth adding to your list. Thanks for spending the day with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Cebu adventures. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!